you're brushing your hair and you start to see little tiny pieces of short hairs on your shoulders, that's an indication that your hair is breaking off and it's weak and it needs protein to strengthen. Hello everyone, my name is Carla Valenzuela. I'm a Redken artist, and today I am partnering up with Hair.com to tell you all about strengthening hair care, why it's important, and some of my favorite products to use. Using hair care that is strengthening is just as important as using hair care that is moisturizing, and the reason behind that is because everybody's hair is made out of mostly protein. With the stress of heat tools and chemicals on our hair, those proteins start to break down and become weaker, causing your hair to look and feel damaged. One of my favorite hair care products to use to repair damaged hair is Redken's Extreme Shampoo and Conditioner. This has protein and it's going to help reduce breakage and split ends up to 73%. We also now have a reparative mask. This is going to be used about once a week or as needed, and you're going to use it after you shampoo. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. And there is no need to follow through with a conditioner, as this would replace your conditioner. One of the most obvious ways to know if you need protein in your hair is at the moment you brush your hair. So if you're brushing your hair in the bathroom and you start to see little tiny pieces of short hairs on your shoulders, on your shirt, or on your bathroom sink, that's an indication that your hair is breaking off and it's weak and it needs protein to strengthen. Another way to know that you need protein is if your hair is feeling unmanageable and it's not growing past a certain length. If you're doing a lot of chemical services, especially blonding, so lots of highlights, and you've gone through a big change, that's also a really good reason for you to start using a strengthening shampoo and conditioner, because this is going to help you keep your hair strong so that you can continue to do more hair color appointments without compromising your hair. Let me tell you a little secret. There is such thing as protein overload. Sometimes a little bit of too much protein is a little bit of too much protein, and what can happen is the hair starts to get really strong, that it becomes a bit stiff and it starts to feel brittle, and I like to describe it as straw-like. So if your hair gets to this point, don't stress out. It does not mean your hair is damaged. All it means is that now your hair is asking for moisture. My advice to you to keep a healthy balance between moisture and protein is to keep a deep conditioning moisturizing mask in your shower. Do that once a week or once a month as needed. That way your hair feels healthy, strong, and manageable. I hope this video was helpful for you, so now you can have strong, healthy hair. And don't forget to subscribe to Hair.com. And if you want to follow me, my Instagram handle is ColorMeCarla. Thank you so much for watching.